Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Ford Focus that overheats, guys, we're going to cover the top 5 reasons why a Ford Focus may overheat, guys. So make sure to stay until the end. Quick introduction to the channel, guys. We have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem, guys. If you need to buy any parts, any tools, guys, that we use in our videos, usually we have the links in the description of the video below, so you can check out part numbers or where we got ours from. Check it out, guys. Now this is the Ford Focus that we're working on, and I'm going to start with explaining a few things. Okay, top 5 things why your Ford Focus may be overheating. Now you have to stay until the end, because it could be each of those reasons. So reason number 1, guys. Reason number 1 on Ford Focus, guys, is radiator fan. Now, radiator fan failing, that is not turning on fast enough, and you have a fan control module. Okay, that metal thing right here, this is your fan control module. This is the brain box for the fan that tells it how fast to go and all that stuff. They do fail sometimes, so if your fan is not working correctly or not working at all, and that could be due to a bad fan, okay, it could be bad fuse for the radiator fan or bad relay, and we have videos about all that on the channel. If you need to find anything, check out the playlist, guys. We have everything. Then your radiator fan will not work and your car will overheat in hot weather or driving in city, guys. On the highway, probably not so much, but if you're climbing or going in town and waiting at traffic light, your car will overheat. Reason number 2, guys. Okay, reason number 2 is very common reason, to be low on coolant. Now these Ford Focus, guys, they do not have a sensor that detects if you're low on coolant. As you know, some Mercedes, BMW or German vehicles, they detect, guys, if the coolant level is low, and that way it gives you a warning inside and it tells you to add coolant. On this one, you don't have one. So when the engine is cold, okay, your coolant level should be between min and maximum. Ours is right at minimum now. So as you can see, guys, it is where it's supposed to be. But if you don't see coolant in that tank, add coolant, guys, and make sure, okay, if it took quite a bit of coolant, you had a coolant leak or replace something, bleed the cooling system the correct way, guys. We have a video on the channel that explains how to bleed the cooling system on a Ford Focus, because otherwise, if you have an air pocket in your engine, you can overheat the engine as well, guys. That's reason number 2. What about reason number 3, guys? Super common reason, bad thermostat. Okay, bad thermostat will cause that now. And I've seen Ford Focuses with that problem before. Thermostat will be stuck closed, okay, or will not open all the way. As a result, the coolant will not circulate fast enough, and as a result, guys, your car will overheat. We will have a video on the channel how to explain how to replace thermostat. Everything will be explained, guys. Check it out if you need help with that. So far 3 reasons. What about reason number 4? You just hope that this is not the case. Reason number 4, guys, it could be bad head gasket. Now, bad head gasket are really hard to diagnose. Usually you may, when you add coolant, you may see bubbles going in the coolant, or you may be losing coolant through the exhaust. We have a video that explains the symptoms of a bad head gasket. Check it out if you need help with that. But this is not very common, unless you overheated the car a couple of times or even one time, but it was a bad overheating, then your head gasket might be bad. So this is, guys, reason number 4. Reason number 5, guys, now. Reason number 5, you have a coolant temperature sensor, and that coolant temperature sensor, it's on your cylinder head. What the coolant temperature sensor does, actually, it detects, guys, okay, it detects how hot the coolant is. But what is happening now, guys, if that sensor is not reading the correct temperature, let's say the coolant temperature is it's 90 degrees, but the temperature sensor is reading 70. Okay, what will happen, guys? You will still see the your temperature gauge moving on the dash, but it will not tell the correct temperature, and the fan will not turn on time. So that could be, guys, a very common reason as well. Bad temperature sensor, and we have, guys, the video on the channel that explains how to replace that one as well. Everything will be there. So those are, guys, the top 5 reasons why Ford Focus overheats. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.